Who stole her baby? Emily had her baby stolen while she slept, and it's up to you to find the thief. The main suspects are these two women next to her. Is it woman A, the thief, or woman B? You need to use good logic and observation to find the answer, because it is a rather complex test. It's all in the details. Carefully observe each of the suspects and comment your answer. I start the timer. Your turn. It was woman B who stole her baby. We can clearly see that she is still pregnant, so it is not her baby. Congratulations to you if you found the answer. Which dentist is a killer? One of these dentists is a psychopathic killer and may harm one of these children. Do you see which dentist it is? I'm sure the majority of you will give me the wrong answer in the comments because it's a rather complex test. Only 1 in 20 people manage to find the answer. Observe them carefully and comment your answer. I'll start the clock. Your turn. Contrary to what one might think, it is Dentist B who is the psychopathic killer. Look, there are no dental instruments on his table, but rather dangerous instruments, so he is the killer. Congratulations to you if you found the answer. Subscribe for more riddles. Which zombie is her ex? Her ex has become a zombie, and she finds herself among these 3 zombies. Do you see who it is? I warn you, it's a very difficult test. Only 1 person in 50 manages to find this young man's zombie ex. Carefully observe every detail of the image. Little clue to help you. The boy's tattoo will allow you to easily find the answer. I'm starting the timer. Enter your answer. It's Zombie B, her ex. She wears a label with her first name, Lucy, and the boy tattooed himself with the initials J+L. She's his ex. Congratulations to you if you found the answer. Subscribe for more riddles.